I'm gonna make a little video. This particular building has half-round copper gutters. They have a rain chain coming down, and they have this barrel here. So that has a little drain inside. You can put some flowers in here. And I think it goes into the ground. So this is a really good landscaping idea. Makes it really clean. Now if we step back over here, we can see that this building also has half-round, or round, I should say, copper downspouts. And they just kick out into the yard. Do they? No, not this one. So yeah, very cool. Now, you don't need gutters in spots like here, some might say. And this is a metal looking roof. So let's see what happens when you get no gutter. Let's take a look at the ground. You have this spot right there. Now, I guess that's like the starting line of entering a house, but it is rust. Maybe it does look cool. Let's zoom in on here. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but I guess that is the design of having a rusty look. The lights here are adding to the design as well, so at night this will be really beautiful. We got a truck passing by. We'll continue the video here. I will show you the downspouts up close. So it looks like, I don't know if it's per design, but those outlets are leaking, creating these little spots. I guess that looks pretty cool. These things are leaking as well, but hey, it looks cool. Looks like here they have a drain pipe and they just kind of cut the pipe. My opinion should have been a little bit lower, but what do I know? On this side, you can see we have some greenery, some maybe potential flowers or rocks, and the rain chain goes up to the gutter, goes right through the tree, and that's really cool. We have a scupper box. Now this one is really unique. It's got a little cutout for overflow if it rains really, really hard, and goes down into the drain. We got one more scupper here. We got some heavy leak or whatnot happening right there, so that creates a really cool effect. So maybe you do need to make your gutters leak, especially on the coppers, create that antique look. On this side we don't have a rain chain, but we do have a downspout, and so that works as well. And because this is a walkway here, it's a little different landscaping.